How to record categories on your Weebly.
Hello, my name is Kostov, and I am going to be teaching you on how to add categories to your blog. First, you press the Weebly button. So after this is done loading, you have to press the website button at the bottom. After you press that, you have to go to my blog. After you press my blog, you press the plus arrow in the top right corner. After this is done loading, you want to press the tuning button in the corner. After you're done pressing the tuning button, you want to press categories. Then you want to press the plus. And then you type in the category you want, like maybe your electives. After you're done with that, you press done, and then you exit out of this. So after you are done adding that category, you might want to try and finish the blog post you were doing. It can be about anything, but it should be within the checked categories. And after you're done, you want to press the post button, and then your blog has been published and you have saved everything. Thank you for watching.